Here I am taking a 3mm crochet hook. Next I am going to make a slip knot. Now I am inserting the hook into the loop. Next yarn over and pull through. I am making 6 chains. Now I'm inserting the hook into the first chain. Now yarn over and pull through. It's become a tiny loop. Next I am making for chains. Now I'm going to make a triple crochet. Now what I am going to do next is yarn over 2 times. Insert the hook in the loop and grab the yarn over and pull through. 2 by 2. Now I am repeating the same triple crochet 2 times more. Now I am going to do for chains again. Next I am inserting the hook in the same loop, grabbing the yarn and making a slip stitch. My first petal is ready. Now I am making the second petal. For chains, yarn over 2 times. Insert the hook in the loop and repeat the process. Here is my second petal. I need 3 petal more. I am repeating the same process. Here is my 5th petal. Yarn over and make slip stitch. The flower is almost ready. Now I am cutting the yarn. Next I am fixing the extra yarn. I hope you like my video. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment. My flower is ready now. Thanks for your valuable time and feedback.